Hey, welcome back. In the last video, we spoke about the things which I love about my Nissan Magnite. In this video, I'll tell you the things which I don't like about the Nissan Magnite, or which are cons, or the things which I hate. So let's begin. The first thing which I don't like is the battery saver mode. Let's hop into the car. I'll show you what that exactly is. Most of you all will know what this is. So in other cars which have push start or any other things, you have three positions: the accessory, the ignition, and the start. But the Nissan Magnite doesn't have that. It just has the one position which turns on your ignition but doesn't start. My leg is not on my brake, and just touch the button, you can see the ignition is on. But in other cars, you get three positions, just as my Nissan Sunny has the accessory, the ignition, and the start. So this is the battery saver mode. Now, as you have seen, I have started it. Now it will remain on for 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, the car will automatically shut it down. So you can play music or anything just for 3 minutes. And if I want to start the car, just press on the brake and hit the start button. There it goes. The car is on. The second thing which I hate is that you cannot open the rear boot from inside. In other cars, you might have seen that you get a lever or a button to open from here, but in Nissan Magnite you don't get that. The only way to open your boot in your Nissan Magnite is the magnetic button present here. This is the magnetic button present. So now you might be thinking, what if the car is locked? See, I've locked the car now, and if I try to open it, it will open. But the key should be in my pocket or in my hand. If the key isn't there, then it won't. Like many cars even have the boot opening button on your key, but Magnite doesn't get it. Even my Sunny has that. The base model of your Nissan Magnite gets a button to open the boot over here because it doesn't have any center locking or push start button. So that's why that's the only way for it to open. You don't get smart key, you get a normal key for that. The next thing which I don't like is the center armrest, because it is not as driver oriented. Me sitting behind with a comfortable posture, it gives me some of the leverage to place my hand. But drivers who are sitting with their seat posture way ahead, it doesn't help them at all. It helps, to be honest, it helps the passenger side more, because this, you can see that the design is towards the left. If it was towards the right, then it would have helped the driver more, or at least equal. The next thing which I don't like is the camera quality. Let's turn it on. So you get this button over here, or the touch pad for your camera. So when your car is off or is in the ignition mode, you can turn it on just to view the 360, but you won't get the rear. You will see this is the 360, and this is the front. Since the car is off or in the ignition mode, it is not placed in your reverse gear, so that's why it is not showing the reverse. But this is the 360 camera. So here you can see the rear, the left, right, and forward. Now you will be saying that it is clear, but it is not as clear. It is showing in the the camera. In the real life, it is blur, and at the night you can't see. It's completely hedged out. I'll start and I'll show you how it looks in the rear gear. So if I put it in reverse, this is the rear camera, and if I press the camera button again, this shows me the left side. If I tap it again, it will be reverse. Now it's front. The next thing which I don't like are these door locks. They go with the car, but Nissan could have done it much way better than that. They could have replaced or good design one, or else they could have given it there itself. So as you all know that my Nissan Magnite is the CVT variant, top model XV Premium. So in this, what happens when you start the car, give a cold start in the morning, and if you put it in drive, I'll put it in drive, and if you let go of the brake, it's in drive as you can see there. If you let go of the brake, the car won't move at that very moment, but it will take a second to 1.5 seconds to move, and then gives you a sudden jerk in the beginning itself, but then you don't have any jerks. That thing is there, which I have seen in this. My Sunny is also CVT, but it doesn't give this jerk or the delay of 1 to 1.5 seconds. So these were the few things which I don't like about the Nissan Magnite, and Nissan can do an improvement over this, a way much better improvement over this. Thanks for watching. Hope you all like this video. Do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.